The rain was falling softly on the small town. The streets were quiet, and the lights from the houses looked warm in the dark. Inside a tiny old house near the corner, a mother and her son were sitting together. The mother's name was Sarah. She was a simple woman with tired eyes but a kind smile. Her son's name was Adam. He was 10 years old, thin, and very quiet. They did not have much, but they had each other. That night, the electricity was gone again. Sarah lit a small candle and placed it on the table. The yellow light made long shadows on the wall. "Mom, will the light come back?" Adam asked softly. "Yes, my son," Sarah said gently. "It always comes back. We just need to wait." Adam nodded. He trusted his mother. He always did. Sarah worked as a cleaner in a school. She woke up every day before sunrise. She cooked simple food, packed Adam's lunch, and walked him to school before going to work. Life was not easy, but she never complained. Adam's father had died when Adam was very young. Since then, Sarah had become both mother and father for him. One morning, Adam came home from school with a sad face. "What happened?" Sarah asked while washing dishes. "My friends have new shoes," Adam said. "Mine are old and broken." Sarah looked at his shoes. The sides were torn, and the sole was almost gone. "I'm sorry, my son," she said quietly. "I will try to buy you new ones soon." Adam smiled, but it was not a real smile. He knew money was a problem. He never asked for toys or expensive things, but sometimes even small things felt big. That night, Sarah counted her money. It was not enough. She sat on the bed and felt tears in her eyes. "Why is life so hard?" she whispered. Adam was pretending to sleep, but he heard her. He felt a pain in his heart. He did not want his mother to cry. The next day, Adam made a decision. After school, instead of going straight home, he went to a small shop near the road. The shop owner, Mr. Khan, was an old man with a kind face. "Uncle," Adam said, "do you need help?" Mr. Khan looked surprised. "Help with what?" "I can clean the shop or carry boxes," Adam said. "I want to earn some money." Mr. Khan thought for a moment. "You are very young," he said, "but I can give you small work. Only 1 hour a day." Adam smiled for the first time in many days. That evening, he came home late. "Where were you?" Sarah asked, worried. "I stayed in school," Adam lied. He felt bad, but he wanted to surprise her. Every day after that, Adam worked in the shop. He saved every coin in a small box under his bed. His hands became dirty, and his body felt tired, but his heart felt strong. After 2 weeks, he had enough money. One evening, Sarah came home very tired. Her back was hurting, and her feet were sore. "Mom," Adam said, "close your eyes." Sarah laughed. "Why?" "Just close them." She closed her eyes. Adam ran to his room and came back with a small bag. "Open now," he said. Sarah opened her eyes. Inside the bag were new shoes. She froze. Adam, where did you get this? Adam looked down. I worked in a shop. I wanted to help you. Sarah's eyes filled with tears. She hugged him tightly. My son, she cried. You should not carry my problems. Adam hugged her back. But you carry everything for me, he said. So I wanted to carry something for you. That night, they both cried, but this time, they cried together. Days passed, and life slowly became better. Adam started studying harder. Sarah kept working, but she also smiled more. One day, Adam's teacher called Sarah to school. Your son is very smart, the teacher said. He helps other students and never gives up. Sarah felt proud. Years went by. Adam grew taller and stronger. He finished school and went to college. He worked part-time and studied at night. Life was still not easy, but now they had hope. One day, Adam got his first real job in a company. He came home with good news. Mom, he said, I got the job. Sarah's hands were shaking. Really? Yes, he smiled. Now you don't have to work so hard. Sarah sat down slowly. Her eyes were full of tears again. I am proud of you, she said. You are my greatest success. Adam held her hands. No, Mom, he said softly. You are my success. Without you, I am nothing. A few months later, Adam bought a small new house for them. It was not big, but it was clean and bright. On the first night in the new house, Sarah lit a candle again, just like old times. Adam laughed. Mom, we have electricity now. Sarah smiled. Yes, but I like candles. They remind me of how far we came. Adam looked around the room. He remembered the old broken house, the rainy nights, and the cold floor. We survived everything, he said. Yes, Sarah replied. Because we stayed together. Adam sat next to her. Mom, if you could change your life, would you? Sarah thought for a moment. No, she said. Every pain, every tear, made you who you are. And you are my happiness. Adam felt his eyes become wet. I promise, he said, I will always stay with you. Sarah smiled and touched his face. You were my strength when I was weak, she said. And now you are my light. The candle burned quietly between them. In that small room, there was no rich life, no big dreams, and no perfect world. But there was love. And sometimes love is more than enough.